Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play HoverGoat 3000. We will start by covering the fundamentals of this powerful support character. The HoverGoat's primary weapon is the beam, a consistent damage dealer. You'll also learn about its unique hover ability, which provides excellent mobility across the battlefield. Finally, we'll introduce the Mega Beam, a charged attack for significant burst damage. Mastering these basics is crucial for effective gameplay and supporting your team. Now, let's dive deeper into the HoverGoat's powerful abilities. The Mega Beam is a charged shot, delivering substantial damage to a single target. Aim carefully for critical hits. Next, the Damage Warp is a crucial support tool, increasing your teammates' damage output by 50% for a short duration. Lastly, the Turbo Gotenna provides a significant movement speed boost, allowing you and nearby allies to quickly reposition or escape danger. Understanding these abilities is key to maximizing your impact. Effective strategy is vital for the HoverGoat 3000. Always position yourself near your frontline allies to provide consistent support and buffs. Prioritize using your Damage Warp on high-damage teammates, like a pea-shooter or super brains, to amplify their offensive power. Remember to maintain a safe distance from direct engagements, utilizing your hover ability for quick escapes. Your role is to empower your team, not to be the primary damage dealer. Focus on keeping everyone boosted and alive. For advanced play, consider these tactics. Synergize your Damage Warp with a fully charged ZPG or a powerful Chomper Burrow attack for devastating, one-shot eliminations. Use the Turbo Gotenna not just for movement, but also to initiate aggressive pushes or to quickly disengage from unfavorable fights. Practice the timing of your Mega Beam. A well-placed shot can secure a critical elimination on a low-health enemy. Mastering these nuances will elevate your HoverGoat 3000 gameplay to an expert level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.